So yeah, we have a PC build. He's gonna read the specs. General staring at you. So
Yeah,
what's the price of this build?
This one's gonna be $900.
$900.
The Ryzen 5 3600X, a AMD Power Color RX 6600, a Gigabyte V550M 512GB NVMe SSD, 16 gigs 3200 megahertz, and that's 2x8, 500 watt 80 power supply, a Beecher V240. It's going inside of a Cougar MG120G, which is a case that I'm not super familiar with, but we'll see.
Personal besties.
Like World of Warcraft buddies and
Yes.
NCXT buddies.
Yes. Business buddies. Best gaming PC/laptop for $310 or under. Well, if you're gonna go gaming, you're not really gonna get a great gaming laptop for $300. You'll get something with like an APU in it that'll play like Minecraft, but it's not really a gaming system. Take a look at all our videos. I mean, we've done a lot of budget builds recently that could be good starting points. But when you're talking $300, you're either looking at one of those like Amazon PCs that are, yeah, like one of the STG Amazon computers that have like 1660 Supers in them, or you're building yourself and looking on the used market. We did not go to Computex, no. We are going to be going to LTX though, which isn't as exciting for tech news, but for us it'd be fun.
More exciting for us.
It's more exciting for us than it really is for you.
Tech news. It's always fake anyways.
There'll probably be stuff on like Twitter and Instagram from LTX, but probably nothing on the channel. By the way, guys, you're not going to see McAllister or Zach today on stream. It's just Jonah today. McAllister's gone until next Tuesday, so you won't see him until next Tuesday. So I guess if you want your nut buttons, I'll be honest with you, you might want to save them for Jonah. Jonah can do the nut buttons.
He's a professional nutter.
He is. Professional nutter. Well, I'll show you guys what the dungeon looks like after we get this build going. This build should not take very long. You never know when someone like Zach may just scream while you're recording. It just happens. Because he saw some feet and he just got excited.
Yeah.
We do build guides every so often that are like step-by-step build guides. It's been a little bit since we've done one. I like to do them on like really budget systems, like $500-600 that are readily available on like Amazon, because those will obviously drive more sales because people will want to buy directly from Amazon. But I don't know. We may do another one here soon.
Uno reverse.
It would be a very simple test. Find a game that you get incredibly high FPS in, see what your ping is, and then lock it to 60 and see what happens. You up for it, baby? Boy, GB. Oh, Twerky and Matt. Hello, how's it going? Jackson's more than just a twerky boy. He twerked one day, and now that's all he is to you guys.
I can do more than that. I did archery in summer camp.
Archery.
Fishing.
With these traditional like cases, they all normally use a very similar like mold for the design, then they just change the outside of it. So I think the manufacturing cost is very, very cheap because the molds are already existing and they're just buying rights to the molds. But I think with those open frame cases, I would imagine they're probably making their own. And I remember like it costs like millions like sometimes to get those molds originally made. And that's why some case companies will stick with the same design for like years, because they spend so much money getting that one design. They're like, let's just try to keep that one going as long as we can. My PC just came in a couple days ago from you guys and it works amazing. Thank you. H2X Phantom, we love you.
Oh my god, it works?
It works? That's a
wow.
That's a relief. Whew. I wasn't expecting that to happen.
Yeah, thank you for getting a PC from us.
Guys, imagine our computer's actually working.
It helps us very much. It helps feed the kids. Yeah, go ahead, say it.
Console can't do it. Have Toasty interns start cranking out 3D mounts. We don't have like interns. I mean, we have employees.
We've been asked many times, but
we could get some interns and have. Well, that's what we need to do to them one day.
Oh my god.
He's just dropping screws. We just have a bunch of people come in as interns and they're sitting at their desk before they show up, and then just be like, oh, they're working as interns for the day.
They're at their desks.
Yeah. This man is struggling.
This is making me mad, dude. This is the worst case ever.
3090 costs $370 compared to the Ti for $500. Prices are sinking a lot. Really? Are they really that cheap? I don't believe that. Oh, in Germany. Okay, I was gonna say 3090s are $370 on eBay. That's
the 3090 and 3090 Ti in my eyes on eBay. Like, I don't know if you want to look them up. They still make no sense to me because the 4070 Ti exists. Brand new. Would you all ever trust putting refurbished parts in your PC? Well, we do it every day.
Yes, and we put a warranty behind it. At the end of the day, it's up to us to be like, you know what, we're comfortable offering a 1-year warranty on stuff that, you know, realistically probably has a higher chance of failure than a new part. But, you know, we're willing to, you know, test it. Yeah, it depends. Sometimes new, it's just like dead.
So, sometimes I feel like it's nice and tested, you know, when it's used. Have you guys seen the MSI X670E Meg Godlike? It's a wide board. Yeah, we've actually used the Godlike boards before. I'm not totally sure if we've I'm not totally sure if we've used the X670 specifically, but I know we did like a Z690 a couple times. We've had some customers.
The X670 I don't think we've touched because that'd be 7000 series Ryzen.
Yeah, we've had some customers do some pretty high end.
Did it ever make it through?
What?
The fan.
No.
You can run it through here or here too.
Oh my god, it needs the 11. Everything's upgrading to Windows 11 here, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! Robin, what are the specs? I need to know. I need to know the specs. I'll go with 3090 Ti instead of 4070 for a upgrade from a 3070. How much performance would be? I mean, it depends what price you get the 3090 Ti for. I'd probably like lean 4070 Ti unless you're getting a really good deal on it on the used market, to be honest. I know you get less VRAM, but the raw performance I think is just, it makes more sense now. But I think you would get a lot of performance. But like a 3070 is still an awesome GPU, so I don't know. I mean, you get an upgrade. I always tell people, and it's something that I've like dialed back on a little bit. I would say if you are a person who's comfortable selling your card on eBay and making your money back, then sure, upgrade as little of a performance upgrade as you want to. But just know what you're actually getting may not be worth your time. Let's see. I sent you all the parts list because I'm getting to build it on stream. Ryzen 5 7600. Oh, so we're building it for you? Sweet. I'm excited. Thank you for supporting us. Y'all excited for the PC giveaway on Friday? Let me know when y'all, or let me know if you all are going to be there, because obviously, you know, I want to see how hyped you all are, because I'm excited. I'm excited to give it away. I guess nobody is hyped. I guess not. So if you guys don't know how the giveaway streams work, _point giveaway in the chat. We'll give you all the information you need. But basically how it happens is starting Friday, we start at 11 a.m. Eastern time instead of 9. So 2 hours later than what you normally would see the stream start. And we'll be gaming from 11 till 5, playing a bunch of video games, doing giveaways and stuff like that. And then at 5 o'clock, we'll be doing the actual PC giveaway. But we like you guys to be there, hang out. It's a fun stream. If you like games and you want to watch us play games, then you should definitely join the stream because we do a lot of gaming and give away other stuff as well based on sub goals we hit.
You guys want a little update, a little live right now tour, guys? How would that make you feel, huh? I don't know. I can see it on your screen though.
All right, y'all ready for a tour, Twitch chat? Okay, here's the current state of Toasty Bros, by the way. Do you guys like my Pikachu computer? Pika, look at my Pikachu computer. Isn't it lovely? We went Pikachu themed because we got this awesome cutout from one of our new employees at PC Bros. So now we're Pikachu thing. Look how fat that Pikachu is. Look at him just flipping around. A fat little Pikachu. He's living his best life. But yeah, I figured that'd be a dope theme. This is the purple one, you two knows. Yeah, I just turned it yellow to match the Pikachu now. And Pika was looking thick. All right. So here's Jackson's setup. Here's Zach's setup. And here is Jonah's setup. Nice clean setup. Looking really nice. I'm gonna, just for the fun of it, I'm gonna mess with this setup again. We're gonna really mess him up. All right, so we're gonna flip his keyboard upside down. We're gonna put a plan on top of it, and then we're gonna lay this microphone here, and then we're gonna hide his mouse. We're gonna hide it right here. Okay, there we go. All right. So y'all don't have to worry about it. Jonah's setup is gonna be gonna be hidden. But you guys want to see the super secret room now? If y'all are ever wondering, there's where Jackson is. That's where we are.
Hello.
He's hiding in there. He's just cleaning up. And then we can go down this way. And into this room. This is now the new dungeon. Oh, look at all that foam. We're not totally done yet. We got to line it up here and get it on the door. But let's see, actually I started on the door. But this is going to be the little dungeon room for voiceovers. Where the plan is we're going to have a desk right here. By the way, guys, I cannot see you all typing in chat, so hopefully this is still working. Desk right here, and going to have a setup, and then this will be like the backdrop, and then there's going to be a voiceover space, and yeah, it's going to be a nice little room. We're utilizing the closet. Hello, pinball machine.
Everything, like, is it good enough, guys? Can you hear us? Oh, they said it's better now. Just in the last room is a little laggy.
Okay.
Jay Dorsey has really grown big time. Thank you, Jay Dorsey. So this is where our somewhat newer employee, Taco Bell. Where did you get that?
Oh, where'd that come from?
This is where a lot of the PC Bros troubleshooting is done on 5 monitors.
5 monitors. I'm not gonna get too close. There might be some classified information up there.
So the Y40 is actually taller, slightly.
It is slightly taller.
And they're almost the same depth, honestly, but I'd say the Y60 is a little bit deeper. And then lengthwise, they're the exact same length.
It's just really this that changes it.
Yeah. I know that they like measure curve in R, which I don't know. Is that radius?
I don't like how this is just in the corner. Guys, someone get this thing before I take all the parts
it's
out.
$275 now.
$275.
Guys, the case goes for like $350.
If you don't buy it, bad things are gonna happen.
Another Y60 though in the full setup.
Yep.
Speaking of merch,
Where?
I walk in the center. I'm like, what is going on?
Follow Jonah. Get him. Get him. To the mezzanine. Into the thick of it. It looks wild with this ultra wide. All right. Got that. The storage space up here. We're investigating fish smell, guys.
Jonah rocking the dunks. Are those the Nike dunks?
They are the Nike.
Bro!
Fit check. Drip check. Check this out.
PC Bro shirt, embroidered, soft.
Wait,
affordable.
are those the brand new? We're just kind of messing with McAllister. We always joke about him being, a little particular, a little special. And
Walrus narwhal thing.
seal something. I don't think it's a narwhal.
Absolute
Narwhals have
Chad.
horns. Oh, there we go. Not. Jonah, we actually gave you a good intro today, but we totally did not give you an outro.
We'll see you all tomorrow.
Thank you all.
Nut buttons and all. Goodbye.